I hit Seth. Free Hillcrest here, and today I'm doing something that I've been asked for a long time. Today I'm here with Triston, Emily, and Seth. We are going to be doing a single player Nerf war, so you can experience it. Not in VR, sorry. If we had VR, or 360 camera, then you guys would be amazed. You know what I want for my birthday, Triston? A 360 camera. Because then when you're watching the video on YouTube, you can actually look around with your mouse. It's really cool. You guys know what I'm talking about, probably. So yeah, we're gonna be doing single player Nerf war, yeah. So I'm gonna get loaded up and let's go.
Let me go get my scope.
Okay, guys, Emily, go home, please.
Okay, guys, I'll be back in a little bit. I'm gonna go get my scope.
I got it as close to 360 view as I can. I want to try to get an 360 camera.
Turn off the video. She's being inappropriate.
Okay, Emily's being really inappropriate. So see, I'm back, and the way it's gonna work is for the first round. I am gonna get the GoPro. For the second round, Triston's gonna get the GoPro, and for the last round, Seth's gonna get it. Now each round, if you get shot 10 times, you die.
I never get the GoPro. Yeah, because your chest is too small.
What? Yeah, and it'd fall off you. Get a little older, then maybe.
He just said, and I'm Papa.
You know what? I could snap it to the. I have these things you can like put on top of the gun.
Chill right now. I could shoot you in one shot.
I have an idea, guys. I'll be right back. Okay, guys. So, new thing. I put my GoPro onto the gun, and then I put a little piece on the gun. So, pressing it on right now. So it's really cool. So now, you should have your gun on. And be like with the GoPro recording. So yeah, I'm gonna have it first round. So yeah, let's get right into this. No more talking. Let's just go. My base is here. I'm really excited about this little GoPro piece. I just noticed I had this in the package. So I sit down here. Okay, guys, I'm ready. See in the shadow my GoPro. If you guys are seeing this in 360, it's probably really bad. I don't know if I even gave it I might not even put it in 360. I might just have it on super view. Guys, I'm ready. They're gonna take forever. I'll pause until they're ready. Fine now. This is my view because I first found it. Whoa! Too fast. Oh, I hit Seth! I hit Seth!
Me too, I got him.
Seth, how many times did I hit him again? Seth, you're dead! Seth, you're dead! Seth, you're dead! No, you're a spectator now. Okay, guys.
I'm dead.
Okay. Drop the canister.
I left a surprise at my base.
Cool. I love the 12 shot too. Okay. 52%. So Seth, you're dead. How do you feel?
Like I could. And some burgers.
I wonder if you guys can see me shooting. I don't want to risk it. Darn. I'm really excited. I'm going to skip to when he's ready. Okay, guys. I just saw a shot. Just saw a shot. She's a girl across the neighborhood. Whoa. Wait, Triston, how many times in total have you been hit?
0.
So have I.
What the?
The first shot was like crazy. Now you're just a little dead man. Whoa! Forget business. Business is booming.
Who wants a surprise weapon at my base? Tristan, go to my base and you want you get all.
Ah, sun's in my eyes.
No, go to my base. Go to my base, Tristan. No, you want more weapons?
Oh, I hit him! I hit Tristan, guys. Tristan, why are you so hard to beat? It's so helpful.
I gave him all the weapons. How many times did you shot him?
2. He's gotten shot twice, guys. I'm warning. So we'll make an interesting YouTube video. Take that 3!
You're out.
No? Okay, guys. Oh, this is weird. Come on! Woo! So far, I'm winning. I have to hold the camera like this because I used up all of my. So am I. Take this thing off. There we go. I can just carry it like that. I just took off the base. Oh, he's mine. Let's go. Come on, boy. What you got? Oh, 5. No, I hit. They're getting serious. Oh my gosh. Sorry about the video. No, but I hit you twice more, like way over there.
Emily, no, you're gonna get hurt.
Come on. Oh my. Okay, guys. Go and check. Cool. Woo! Hectic. shoulder. Oh no. Well, it was kind of stumbling along. You can watch it on the playback if you want. Wait, but we were playing a 10 round. No, I said 10. Well, now we're switching to another guy's view. Triston, here comes your view. We're gonna clean up real quick, okay? Oh wait, what did I do?
Okay, guys. Okay, so guys, you see my bike right here? Yeah, my bike is my escape plan, and yeah, one second over there. This is my escape plan right here. So I'm gonna be riding, and I'm gonna turn that way, and I'm gonna go down the street over there. So yeah, I gotta get ready to.
What? Okay, go ahead.
She said to ask your mom if she could go to across the street.
Emily, go ask the mom. Go ask the mom. Go ask. Emily, go ask mommy.
Triston,
Go ask the mom. Guys, go away. You can't see. Wait,
Did the camera just turn off? Oh yeah. That's,
wait. Have you been recording for how long have you been? Oh. Okay, that's not bad.
I promise I'm using this guy. It can go like
Can you guys? I'm trying to see how long you've been recording.
go! I want you to see my escape plan.
Okay. Wait, 1 minute and 24 seconds? What have you been doing for 1 minute and 24 seconds?
Showing them my escape plan. So yeah, this is my escape plan. And yeah, I'll see you.
Ready in 5, 4, 3, 2. Okay, so guys, right now I'm over here. So yeah. What? Yeah. So. So I just missed. Yeah, that was stupid. Oh god. Let me try again. Oh. Round, so now we're doing 5.
Okay.
You got me 0 times.
No, I got it 5 times.
No, you got me 0.
Oh, I thought you said.
Wait, how do I take this off? So I'm gonna do my escape plan, and I want them to see how it's gonna look.
Well, you gotta go like this.
How do you take it off? Point. Pause. So you can see like me escaping and stuff. There you go. Hold it. Don't drop it. Well, guys, yeah,
I gotta make it safe.
you set your bed? Yes, I'm running. Oh,
Triston, take the gun.
no, I can't.
I need to run. No, why did you do that? No, you got me. No, you got me on me too.
I know.
Oh.
Run! Guys, after I told you the pimp life. This is how.
What cars? I need to get my escape plan ready. Woo! Oh. So guys, I'm escaping. Okay. No. Further away. So. Oh God. What? How? You didn't get me.
I shot you 3 times and you went above boundaries.
But that's escaping.
No, just escaping is when you escape to your base.
Oh, I didn't know that. I'm sorry, I didn't know. Huh? Yeah, we'll do some other thing on videos. We'll do some other things on videos. We'll do some other things on videos since you said, can we stop? Yeah. Okay. Oh. Wait, we're gonna stop playing? Okay. Huh?
Emily, no, baby. Can we work on that board a bit?
Wait, what for it? That one plank? You mean the camera?
No, without
That.
the camera. Let's just work. Can we look? Anyway, guys, so thanks for watching. This is Fort Hillcrest signing off. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe and slap the bell to get more content when we upload. Please leave a like if you enjoyed this video. If you want us to do more of things like this, comment down below. And if you have any more ideas, comment down below about what we should do next. Thanks for watching. Fort Hillcrest signing off. Bye. Oh, yeah.